You might keep trying to stay on top of everything, find as much information as research as much as you can about some topics, but all that it's just creating more knowledge. Of course, it's adding value, it's adding more knowledge, it's adding more information. At the same time, those informations can create the chaos in your life. You're adding more noise into your life, and things that you want to achieve might become less clear, isn't it? And I observe that in my life, in life, people I work with, I talk with, when we have a goal, many times, I've seen this, that we start doing research. And do get me right, research is important to some extent. However, I notice in myself that I feel that gap in my day, or every gap in my day, with this research, with finding more information, with gathering more information, podcasts, videos, messages, posts, everything, books, just constant input. And it felt kind of productive, kind of. Like I was staying sharp. Oh, now I know what I have to do. However, then I realized that when it comes to making any decision to move forward, or move that one step forward, that to decide what kind of step I want to do, I hesitate. I've had too many angles, too many voices, too many options. And at that point, I was thinking, I had to just stop myself and ask, is all this research, this looking for information actually helping me? Or is it maybe a distraction that's drowning what I already know? That's drowning my decision-making process. The strength, the real strength, doesn't come from adding more, researching more, getting more information. It actually came from ability of removing thoughts, inputs, everything was not really yours, and focusing on your goal, focusing on what you want to achieve, how you want to achieve it. Because if you will be adding more and more and more, well, your head becomes cluttered, and then when the whole chaos starts coming into your life, the outside chaos. So the point here is to reduce how much you let into your life, to your head, and how much you actually create by your own, by yourself. Question for you for today, to think about it. When you strip away everything that's not yours, that's creating this chaos, that's coming out into you, what is that is already clear for you, but you keep ignoring it? Think about this for a second. Sit with this question. And if you like to some help with this, finding answer, discussing up how can you create a plan, just drop me a message or check the link under this video to the form for a free session with me. From this place, as always, I wish you many blessings.